Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall DigitalOcean droplets and backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall DigitalOcean droplets, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the Droplets section from the main dashboard. Locate the droplet you wish to uninstall. Click on the droplet's name to access its management page. In the top right corner, you'll find the Destroy button. Click on Destroy. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you want to destroy the droplet. Take a moment to review the information provided about data loss. If you are certain, type in the droplet's name as prompted. Click on the Destroy Droplet button to finalize the action. The droplet will now be deactivated and removed from your account. Next, let's uninstall backups associated with this droplet. Return to the Droplets section. Select the droplet for which you want to manage backups. Scroll down to the Backups section on the Droplets management page. If backups are enabled, you will see the list of available backups. To remove a backup, you must first disable backups on the droplet. Click on the Settings tab located on the Droplets management page. Within the settings, find the Backups section. Toggle off the backup option. Confirm to disable backups, which will stop future backups on the droplet. Note that previously taken backups will still exist. To delete old backups, navigate to the Snapshots section on the main dashboard. Identify the backups you are ready to delete. Click on the backup's name to open its management options. Find and click the Delete Snapshot button. Confirm your action to permanently remove the backup. You have now successfully uninstalled your DigitalOcean droplet and its backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.